Oh, I love makeup.
Me too.
Oh, see? Wow.
Hi, I'm Mary Phillips, founder of m.ph.
And I'm Desi Perkins, founder and CEO of Dezi Skin. Today, I'm gonna show Mary my skin prep before makeup using Dezi Skin.
And I'm gonna show Desi how to underpaint. They look cute together.
My Claro que sí Vitamin C Glow Serum. This is such a good serum because a lot of vitamin C's before I formulated this one, I found that they got really sticky and I didn't love the way it wore under makeup. They would pill often, so I just would kind of avoid wearing them during the day, which is when it's best to wear them. That's why I created Claro que sí.
I'm obsessed with vitamin C's.
This one is so good. Yes.
I'm also a licensed esthetician.
Oh!
I went to esthetician school before I became a makeup artist. Skincare is so important to me.
Yes.
And it is, I think most people don't realize that the makeup doesn't go on nice if your skin's not prepped perfectly. Like, it is such a big part of what I do and like the makeup application, so.
Exactly. And then lastly, for my skin prep, I use the Dezi Skin Agua Fresca. This is like a really nice everyday moisturizer because it's not too heavy and it's not too thin. But again, this is what I use as my primer for makeup. It wears beautifully. Here you go. This is our jumbo size. We made a jumbo size because people loved it so much. This has such a nice consistency.
You can see such a difference on my hands.
Mary has done my makeup before. Everything looks snatched but undetectable. There's no like contour lines. I felt very beautiful and myself.
Oh, thank you. That's literally what I want people to feel. I just want people to feel like the best versions of themselves.
Oh my gosh.
These are our underpainting palettes in the shades medium and deep.
These are beautiful.
This is our dual-ended sculpting brush, and it has like a larger side for contouring the larger areas like forehead, cheeks, jaw, and then a little side to do like color corrector under the eyes or like nose or like the lips if you want.
I like the size of this.
Each palette has the first color is a color corrector, then there's 2 highlights and 2 contours. So the first step I always like to start with is under the eye color corrector.
Okay. I need a lot of color corrector here. Actually,
and
I also
exactly,
see all this redness?
That's exactly where you want it to go. Like right where like the purpley blue tones get.
Right here?
Yes, because you want to cancel those areas. How much? You could put more on them.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do it a little bit like out on this area. And then if you have like a little spot that you wanted to color correct, like a brown spot, yeah, because it has like peachy tones in this color.
I have one here. Okay, so do I use this to apply or also to blend out?
Both.
Okay, what do you do?
I sometimes will like use like my ring finger, like because I'll like tap it in.
Yeah, okay.
But you don't need to blend it as of now.
Okay, don't blend yet.
Yeah.
We're placing.
Okay, so now I like to go in with contour.
Okay.
So you want to get it on your brush, maybe start with like the lighter shade.
Okay, I'm gonna start with this shade in the palette.
Contour one.
We're taking contour 1.
Yes.
How much product?
You can get more than that. These formulas are very sheer, very blendable. And then take that and always like kind of pat it on your hand to get the product like nice and warmed up.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I always like to start right here and like drag it up a little bit. See, already it gives you like that snatch.
She's lifted.
She's lifted. And then yeah, I like to do the hairline after that. I go like up towards the hairline. I always like to do like up strokes because that's like the way I want it to lift.
Right.
Like in a lifting direction. You want it to look like a shadow.
Yeah,
that's
it's
what
not
like
too
contour
warm.
is doing. There's gonna be a cooler shade in all the palettes for the contour and then a warmer shade. So if you wanna mix them together, if you just wanna use the cooler shade or the warmer shade. And then let's do the cheek. I always like to do it like a little higher, like rather than down here. I like to go a little higher and up. Yep.
Was I supposed to swipe or down?
Yeah. No, swipe. I love a swipe.
Well, I was just trying to lift my face.
Yeah, perfect.
Lift up.
You did it.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is a good color.
It's pretty, right?
Oh, I don't have any foundation on. That's right. We're not supposed to have foundation yet. Okay.
I mean, if you want to have a little
It's called underpainting.
Yeah. I mean, there's no real rules. Like if you want to have a little bit of foundation on, you can, but it really does adhere to the skin better if it's just like fresh.
Okay, perfect.
And then I do the jaw. I kind of start like right under and then just kind of follow it up.
Here?
I mean, Desi's jaw is like people are paying to have this done. And then go underneath because you want like, especially in photos and stuff, you want that like darkness under the jaw. It's gonna make your face look really chiseled. And here's one little trick that I haven't really talked about yet. Get a little bit more on your brush. And if you want to kind of like elongate and slim the neck, not that you need it, just kind of showing another tip.
Oh my God.
Like right behind the ear, you just kind of go down.
Ooh.
And then like feather it.
We're snatching the neck, people.
Yeah, snatch whatever we can.
Yes, snatch it all.
It doesn't have to be like so perfect. You know, you can still blend it afterwards. Once you put the foundation on too, it kind of helps blend it out.
Okay.
But it can be like a little messy, but the placement is really important. You don't want to get it too low because then that's gonna drag the face down, especially like we're trying to lift.
Right, I like what's happening.
It looks really pretty.
Okay, what's next?
Now the other side.
I'm gonna do the side without
my help.
Without your help. Ooh.
Pretty. So nice. And then
so good.
I would do the nose. Okay. And like lip area. And then we'll get into highlight.
I need to do the nose.
You need me to?
Yeah, I want you to.
Okay. Okay, so I always like to connect it to the brow and I go right on the bone.
a nose contour changes the game for me. Like, such night and day difference. I love a good nose contour.
And if you do it right on the bone,
Ooh.
just kind of like...
See, I don't know what it is about nose contour, but it just gives it to me.
Accentuate the tip a little bit. But then I'll go in with highlight because this part's really fun for me.
Yeah, I love the highlight.
I love doing this shape right here. I don't know why. And this is with highlight 1 in the medium palette. And then I just make a thin line down the bridge of the nose.
She can't breathe.
Yep. She's just tiny.
Oh my God, it looks so good. Nice.
And then with the highlight, so I'm gonna put some on the brush for you. This is highlight 1.
Okay.
You're just gonna kind of like go along top
Of the color corrector.
Yeah, like you can go right over it. I always think of like bringing light to the face right here. So you always wanna think of like where you want light to hit. And you can highlight also on the outside of the contour. That's gonna actually just like kind of double down so you don't have to do such dark contour.
Yeah.
Because they're like working against each other.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. The formula, this is my first impression, guys, okay? The formula is so buttery. It just like blends into itself very easily, which I love. That is one of the things I think that's really hard about contouring is really blending and fusing everything together. So I really love the consistency of this formula. It's so nice. And also the colors, you nailed the colors.
Oh, good. It's really important for me to like have it like a very natural skin finish, skin-like finish.
Yeah.
I want it to look like a second skin.
Enhancing what you already have and changing what you want to change.
Exactly. Just a little tweak. Just doesn't even have to change. Just a little tweak it. So here's a little other fun thing I like to do. I'm mixing both the highlight shades because I'm going a little lower on her face now. So you want it like extra bright under the eye. And I like to, right at the corner of the mouth, go up to right under where the cheekbone contour is. And this again is creating like just more of a lift.
Yes. Wait, which color is this palette again?
This is the medium palette.
Okay, this is the medium palette.
Yeah. So as of right now, we have light, medium, and deep, but we have 3 more shades coming. So we have fair coming, medium tan, and deep rich.
Oh, nice.
Which you'll probably, like if you're like extra tan, we'll be able to wear the medium tan.
Okay.
You can also do like a little dab in like the center of the chin if you want.
You know what I like to do?
Show me.
I like to take a little contour and put it right here.
Love.
Yeah, I love the contour
Okay,
lips.
good. So
I
let's
love
do
it.
it.
I'm your customer.
Great.
Okay.
This is a great step if you do like to overline your lips because it's creating like the structure of the mouth. Yeah, underneath is a good spot too. And a fun little spot. You have a really good chin, but if people don't and they kind of get a little flat, you can kind of right here in this little spot, you can kind of just put like a little upside down moon.
Oh. Wait, I need to take a picture of this. I'm gonna map this out for when I do it again.
That color's really good on you.
This is a good color for me. This is good color.
This is just kind of like a fun thing. So this color is gonna be a little bit warmer. This is our cream blush brush. You can also take a little bit of this and kind of bronze a little bit too.
Oh, I love that brush. So soft. This is so easy. I feel like the formula makes it foolproof. So it's just so easy to blend and place.
That's exactly what I wanted it to do. And even if we did like a lighter version of this, you almost don't even need foundation with like your skin if you wanted to put like a sheer tinted moisturizer or sunscreen or something over it. Like,
I love it.
It's so light, it's so sheer, it's so blendable. So now that we created like the structure or the bones of the face, we're gonna lay like the skin on top.
Let's marry everything together.
Marry it all together.
Get it?
Yeah. So now we're gonna go in with foundation. I got some on the brush.
Okay, again on the back of the hand.
Again on the back of the hand just to get it all worked into the brush because then you get like the most seamless application.
Right.
Just lightly going over it all, like applying a light layer of skin over, but keeping, you know, everything that we did there. And I have to say, your skincare is amazing.
Yay!
Because it's laying on top of this so beautifully.
I'm telling you, that was the thing that we worked really hard on was to make sure
it's like compatible with makeup. And then if you want it all to be stronger in any certain areas, like if it's just the cheek or the forehead or the eyes or the nose, like you can just do an extra coat of that if you want.
This looks incredible. I love the natural lift and accentuation of all my natural features just like popped out.
You look so pretty.
It's glowy
But
too.
beautiful,
The formula
like
is
natural,
nice. It's
yeah.
like skin-like too.
Yeah.
I'm taking all of this and this and this and this and this.
Some pencils.
Yes.
Thank you so much for doing this.
Of course.
I really appreciate it.
Girl, this changes everything.
Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you, Sephora.
Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go home and contour my face now.
Good.
Gotta go.